What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You know what we're doing today. We're working on the Freebird vessel, and today we are going to be installing this brand new MINN KOTA foot pedal trolling motor. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to do that. I don't really know how to do it, but we're going to figure it out along the way, just like everything we do with this boat project. But before we dive into that today, I wanted to just take a look at this disgraceful number right here. It's like 80% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you guys do enjoy this video and you want to support me, make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button down below to help me grow this channel. But let's get right into it. Let's see what this MINN KOTA can do. There she is. So I was thinking about it on the way over here, and I'm already a little worried that we didn't leave enough space here on the side for the trolling motor to not get in the way of the foot pedal tray. But I guess we just need to find out. Beautiful. Beautiful fit. Now, let's see if this trolling motor fits. Believe it or not, guys, I think it fits. Let's go. So the first problem that we've already run into is this metal piece that somebody had welded on, one of the previous owners had welded on, and it's got to go if we're gonna be mounting the trolling motor up here. And then somehow, I know we're gonna have to raise the trolling motor up for it to be somewhat flush with this level. That way it can raise up and down into the water nicely. So let's see if that works. All right, so that metal bracket is gone. Let's see what we can do now with the trolling motor. So I think we got our game plan. So the problem that we're running into is that when the trolling motor is up like so, and you want to put the trolling motor down into the water, it was hitting the front frame of the boat. Now, in order for it to not hit the frame of the boat when the trolling motor is down, we need to raise the trolling motor up like so. So in order to solve that problem, we are going to put these 2x4s under each side of the trolling motor to raise it up the appropriate height that we need it to. So the next step in this process is I'm gonna go to the hardware. I'm gonna get some freshly treated 2x4s because these aren't treated. And then we're gonna carpet those 2x4s. Then we gotta figure out all of our measurements and how we're gonna mount it to the frame down below. I'm gonna jump in the air, and then when I land, I'm gonna magically have 2x4s in my hand. Got our 2x4s, we're good to go. Yeah. One down. Yeah.
Come back and finish that one. Hold up. That's a pretty good spot. You see it, Paul? Okay.
We're good. There it is. Perfect.
6.5 in the center.
So what we've done thus far is we cut those two pieces of 2x4 to the perfect length, Then we carpeted the 2x4s, braced the plywood with another extra layer of plywood. That way those 2x4s and that trolling motor will have great structure beneath it. That way it's not flexing or bending in any way that would harm the floor. We screwed the 2x4s into the deck. We're almost ready to put the trolling motor on the deck, but we wanted to tackle this next problem of the foot pedal. We're looking for 3 bolts to fit into these holes to put into this foot pedal tray, but we're not seeing any bolts. So we're gonna open these holes up and use the bolts that we have to put in it and see if that works. We're gonna drill these holes out.
Push it down. That way we can go.
That's good. I mean, if those are... I'll come over.
What's that gonna do?
The foot pedal is installed. Now for the most important part, the trolling motor. See what she looks like. Let's come up a little bit more. There we go.
Right there?
Right there. There we go. Yeah, we can. Moment of truth. See if this baby works. So we pull this lever. Oh yeah, it's a little heavy. Drop her down. Pass the tire. Boom. MINN KOTA trolling motor installed.
Awesome.
That is sweet. That is sweet. Oh, it's look at that.